a regulator, we take it upon ourselves to ensure that if you're not staying ahead of the curve, if you're not constantly allowing your regulatory frameworks to evolve with the industry, you're going to get left behind. And then compliance is, of course, at risk as a consequence. When you actually see a lot more TradFi and DeFi blend in traditional finance and decentralized finance for your audience, when they come together as fluidly as they are today, you also begin to realize very quickly that there isn't that divide, right? It's not a choice between one or the other. And as a consequence, we find that in this world where today you see a lot of that adoption already increasing in the global industry, as industry rules, as regulation gets a lot more interoperable, as technology gets a lot more harmonized, you come to a place where naturally adoption is going to scale through the roof.